Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer photos to Google Photos in 2026. First, open Google Photos in your web browser and sign in to your Google account. In the top right corner, click the Upload button. A menu will appear. Click Computer to upload photos from your computer. Now select the photos you want to transfer to Google Photos. You can choose one photo, multiple photos, or even an entire folder. After selecting the photos, click Open. Google Photos will begin uploading your photos to your account. Wait for the upload process to finish. The upload speed will depend on the size of your photos and your internet connection. Once the upload is complete, go to the Photos section. You will see all of your uploaded photos in your Google Photos library. You can also organize them into albums, share them with others, or access them from any device connected to your Google account. That's it. This is the easiest way to transfer photos to Google Photos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Google Photos tutorials.